Clap your hands now. Down. Go ahead and clap your hands now. Down. Clap your hands now.
Hey, what is up guys, JSHD here, I'm back with a brand new video. Now first of all, I would like to say thank you so much guys, because we reached 200 subscribers now. 2 months ago we reached 100 subscribers. It's amazing because time flies and we've done so many videos, and that's amazing, and I just want to say thank you to you guys because you guys are making me go, and that's amazing. So thank you. So today that's why I'm doing a special, which is a jailbreak, which is how to install this new jailbreak in iOS 11.1.2 or below. So basically, this is called ELECTRA jailbreak. It allows you to have Anemone, which is this system where you can apply your themes. So basically like a theme that I have installed here. I'll show you like a sneak peek because I will be doing pretty soon actually a video about my top 5 favorite tweaks, or top 10 depending on how I'm going with the tweaks and stuff. But there's no Cydia. If you guys are similar or know a little bit about jailbreaking, there's usually Cydia that comes with it. Well, this time around there's no Cydia. It makes tweaking and install the tweaks more different and more difficult. So for example, you're gonna have to install applications like Zip App Free, iZip, and all stuff to put the documents and the files inside over there, just so it can after work in Files Are Jailed, which is this file manager, which is really not so hard, but it is more of a hassle and everything. So I'm just gonna show you guys now just how to install it without a computer. This before was, you had to do it before with a computer, but some people it didn't work for any reason. Cydia Impactor was not working for them, like their code, they said that they entered their code different and it would tell them a code like 3-digit numbers, and it was just wrong. And that actually happened to me. So I know how to install it without a computer, and it's really simple. So we'll go right on the video. Okay guys, so if you guys want to know how to install it, just obviously stay tuned. And what you need is basically a device that is running iOS 11.1.2 or below. Yeah, and what you want to do is you want to go to Safari, and here I have a website that is redirecting me to the website that you can install the tweaks, and I want to make a video of it, so I'm not showing you guys just for the purpose of it, but I just want to show you my favorite tweaks later. So the video will come up like in 2 days or 3 days. Oh, I'm not promising anything, sorry guys. So what you want to do is you want to go here and you want to go to search Tweakbox. So Tweakbox right there. Oops, I put Tweakbox. Now it's gonna appear Tweakbox installer right there, and you're just gonna press download app. Allow if this happens. If not, it will just redirect you to settings. If not, it will ask you that. And I already have it, but you press install. You put your passcode. You're gonna press install again, and that's pretty much it. And now you're gonna have it running on your home screen. Now, as you can see guys, I've already installed some tweaks in this. So this is kind of like a sneak peek to the tweaks of like my top 5 or my top 10, as I mentioned earlier, depending on how much time I have to install tweaks or anything, because I have school and homework and stuff like that, you know. So what you want to go is you're here in Tweakbox, you want to go to apps, and you want to go to Tweakbox apps. You want to scroll down until you see simply ELECTRA jailbreak. You press install, and the pop-up will install here. Press install again, and it's gonna install. Now, once it's installed and you press on the app, it's gonna tell you untrusted enterprise developer. So what you want to do is you want to go to where it says, you're gonna press trust, and a pop-up will appear, and you're gonna press trust again, and you're golden. So now basically the only thing that you need to do is just go to ELECTRA. I've already done this, but I'm already jailbroken, as you can see right there. An ad will pop up. Sorry guys, my tripod fell, but it's okay. So basically what you want, my reflection. So basically what you want to do is you just want to press jailbreak, and over there it's going to say like 1 out of 3. And basically it's going to go up and it's going to put 2 out of 3 on like a corner right there, you'll see. And then when it goes like to 3 out of 3, will shut down. And if you have the spinny wheel, and there's like a like a wheel and it's spinning around like that, that's good news. That means it's working. And once it worked, you have a sorry guys, my tripod fell again. So what I was saying is that when it happens in your home screen, you're gonna see a new app called Anemone. This is where you're gonna have your theme installed and everything. But the theme I'm rocking now is called Lotus, and I have also the dock. I have a dock, awesome dock is called, and Dynamic Libraries was meant to work, but it was basically trying to. It was a trial and error, but I was trying to do like 5 icons instead of 4 on each row. And also basically the animation, as you can see when I'm like this and going like this, you see that that's called cylinder, and that's with one of the tweaks that I will show you how to install on my next video. So be sure to drop a like and a comment, and be sure to be subscribed and turn on post notifications on if you guys want to stay tuned to when I upload the video. As you can see, I have cylinder right there, and I can choose all the effects I want. So I have right now where is it? I have here curled and roll away. So we're gonna go here and let's say double door. It does it automatically. Boom. That is so cool. Like, you don't even know it. Like, that's amazing. So you can choose different effects. So as you can see, it says a 1 over there. You press this one, it says 2, and it combines them together, which sometimes can get very messy, but you know, it's pretty cool. I mean, we just chose one that was actually we just chose one that was actually really nice and cool and went together. So let's say we have here foosball. Ooh, that's nice. That's really cool. But you have lots of them. So you guys, once I do the video, I'll tell you guys exactly how to install everything. And yeah, so that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. This works for iPads as well, so I'll show you guys also that it will work on the iPad. And this iPad is running iOS 11.1.2, and there is this alternative that's called Houdini. Well, it basically activates you to do cool stuff, but not as cool. Like just put round icons, not really anything else. But it's not as cool as a jailbreak. But unfortunately, as I mentioned before, there's no Cydia. It's pretty complicated. You have to paste in files and all that stuff and mush everything down together to just make it one thing. Complicated, but not so complicated as you think. And also as it looks. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. And I hope you all enjoyed. And peace.